in Kulgam. Now, the latest update coming in this encounter between the security forces and the terrorists is this visual that is right now running on your screens. This is the latest update. 2 terrorists have been trapped at the moment, and what we are playing out are the visuals. Of course, these are not the latest visuals. They are from earlier today on, and of course, due to security reasons, the live visuals cannot be broadcast. But remember, the gunfight is underway, and the gun battle is underway in Kulgam in South Kashmir. 2 terrorists have been trapped by the Indian forces. There was, of course, a coordinated search operation earlier that was carried out, and now these 2 terrorists have been trapped. Remember, there have been a spate of terrorist attacks in Jammu and Kashmir, and this year, anti-terror operations have, of course, been scaled up. And this is the latest update we have from Kulgam, where 2 terrorists have been trapped. Visuals coming in. Zeenat joins us live on the broadcast for more. Zeenat, at least 2 terrorists have been trapped. That's what we know. Tell us more about this exchange of fire in Kulgam.
See, the exchange of fire in Kulgam district was reported earlier, and since then there has been no gunshots being exchanged. But we are seeing in the visuals also that the reinforcement is being rushed to the spot to see that the terrorists, that those are trapped, shouldn't get any escape route. These are the 2 terrorists that we are picking from the sources have been trapped in an encounter, though it was a CASO, coordinated search operation, that was launched by the joint forces after getting the credible leads about the presence of terrorists in the very area, in this very village. And that CASO turned into an encounter, or an exchange of fire was reported when the terrorists fired upon the CASO party and they retaliated. Now, no gunshots are being heard, but yes, the reinforcement is being rushed towards the spot. Meanwhile, if we see South Kashmir's trend, we have seen recently the elimination of the 2 terrorists in Larnuk, Anantnag, which comes in the Kokarnag, where the 2 local terrorists were neutralized last Saturday. That was big encounter that took place almost after more than one year, where the Anantnag police got success. Now coming to Kulgam, we have seen in Kulgam in past also that in a day some 6 terrorists were neutralized, or the 2 terrorists were neutralized. Kulgam has shown the progress in the last 1 year by eliminating the foreign as well as the local terrorists. Today, when the CASO party was doing the drill, the hiding terrorists fired upon the party. That resulted into an exchange of fire. As of now, there is no gunshots that are being exchanged, but more and more reinforcement coming from Jammu and Kashmir police, Kulgam police, Kulgam SOG, and also the Indian Army and the CRPF. The 3 forces are on ground to see that those who have been trapped should be eliminated, because this is quite a strong signal coming from the forces that their synergy still remains intact and they're working hard to eliminate the terror on ground. And the result is once again an exchange of fire between the terrorists and the joint forces in Yaripura village of Kulgam in South Kashmir.
Right. Thank you so much, Zeenat, for joining us with those updates coming in, viewers. So, encounter in Jammu and Kashmir, Kulgam. A gun battle is right now underway between the Indian forces and the terrorists, and these are visuals from early on today. All right, viewers, the news from across the country now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi